secretly enrolled in IIT JEE like exam का question. It was like not even expecting to achieve 10,000 subscribers. I think ये question भी मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने पूछा है. And is your channel monetized? So it is so confusing कि क्या लेना है. Thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers. If you're new here, I am Ashika and I am a CBSE 10th grader, and I uploaded my first video on this channel in September or August of 2024, and I did not at all expect to come this far in such a short time. Like, it is a big deal for me. And when I like posted my first video, it was a very bad video with very bad editing, very bad quality, very bad audio quality, and everything was just pathetic about that video, if I am being honest. And I think that video also had a copyright strike. But what we should appreciate is how far we have come. And when I posted that video, I was like not even expecting to achieve 10,000 subscribers, and I was thinking ki if like in 1 year I'm able to get to 5,000 subscribers, that is like a great deal. But here we are at 20,000 subscribers, and it hasn't even been a year since I posted my first video. So I am super grateful to each and every one of you, and thank you so much for showing your support to my channel. And yeah, just thank you so much for being here. I am beyond grateful for that. And with that, let us start this Q&A. So मैंने अपने Instagram पर भी एक स्टोरी डाली थी कि ड्रॉप योर क्वेश्चंस, एंड मैंने अपने YouTube के कम्युनिटी पोस्ट पर भी एक लाइक पोस्ट किया था कि अपलोड योर क्वेश्चंस जो भी तुम मुझसे पूछने हो, ताकि सब लोग पूछ सके, बिकॉज कुछ लोग Instagram पे नहीं है. एंड इफ़ यू हैव येट नॉट फॉलोड मी ऑन Instagram, then what are you doing? Here is my ID, and go and follow me on Instagram, because if I'm being honest, I prioritize the Instagram वाले questions पहले. But I have written the questions over here, and मैंने ट्राई किया है कि वो वाले questions include करूँ जो ज़्यादा लोगों मैंने ट्राई किया है कि मैं वो वाले क्वेश्चंस इंक्लूड करूँ जो ज़्यादा लोगों ने पूछे हैं, ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों के क्वेश्चंस इंक्लूड हो सके, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई कैन नॉट कवर 200 क्वेश्चंस इन वन वीडियो. Anyways, now let us start. The first question is, how do you stay productive? Now, a lot of people have asked me this question, and by a lot I mean a lot. I think one of the major reasons why I am productive is that I know my strengths and weaknesses. I know when I'm focused the most, and I know how to cut out my distractions, and like I know my priorities straight, and I can work on them. Anyways, if you want me to make a separate video on this topic, then do let me know, because I can talk about this for a very long time. But if you want to be productive, and if you also actually want to make productive use of your time, you need to figure out what study techniques works out the best for you. For example, मेरे को लिख के ज़्यादा जल्दी याद होता है, and like बोल के ज़्यादा जल्दी याद होता है, and if I'm just reading or like looking at pictures or just like saying it in my head, that doesn't work out for me. So I prefer writing stuff down so that it actually gets in my head. But something else may work out for you. So you need to figure that out by experimenting with different learning techniques to see what works out the best for you, so that you can be extremely productive. Second of all, अगर तुम्हें रात को बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है and you're thinking कि I want to be productive now, मेरे को अभी external motivation मिला है, इसलिए I want to be productive. So I am going to study SST. And SST is a theoretical subject. It is extremely boring, at least to me. And at least I cannot study SST बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से and to my full potential at night. So I'll just get very sleepy very quickly, and I'll just end up falling asleep, and I'll wake up at like 7 a.m. in the morning, and I will feel like I have wasted my night. Rather, I could have studied SST when I was feeling actually productive, which was in the afternoon. And when I was like, for example, instead of studying SST in the afternoon, I did my homework in afternoon, and I was trying to do SST at the night. जिससे क्या हुआ, मेरा होमवर्क तो हो गया, बट जो मेरा सेल्फ स्टडी था वो नहीं हो पाया. सो वॉट यू शुड डू इज़ यू शुड डू दी SST वाला काम इन द आफ्टरनून एंड द होमवर्क एट नाइट व्हेन यू आर एक्सट्रीमली स्लीपी एंड यू डू नॉट नीड टू लर्न मच, you just need to write down the homework. So that is what I mean. You need to learn how to manage your time properly. अगर तुम्हें इस पर सेपरेट वीडियो चाहिए तो मेरे को बता देना, बट दैट इज़ प्रीटी मच इट. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So the next question is, what are your expectations with the new class? मेरे को इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब बहुत अच्छे से समझ तो नहीं आया, बट आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट इट मीन्स कि what are my expectations with class 10th from myself. So first of all, I expect to do extremely well in my board exams, and by that I mean I want to score at least 98% से ज़्यादा. 98% is like a bare minimum percentage for me, and उससे ज़्यादा is like okay. So that is like what I expect from myself percentage wise. Otherwise I want to improvise on my extracurriculars because I am lacking behind majorly on that. And I also want to learn coding, which I am not doing currently. So I should do that. मैंने बीच में 100 days Python का course start किया था, but then I just got locked out of the course and I was too lazy to log back in, so I have just been procrastinating on that. And yeah, those are a few things that I would want to do with this new class. And I would also want to improvise my personality like a lot. There are a lot of things which I want to do. I want to become more confident and I want to get my public speaking skills better, which I think I am doing by like doing YouTube. I think that is improving my public speaking skills. But to do that, I'm also going to participate in a ton of MUNs this year. So yeah, because I'm accountable for myself and for my expectations. So I think that answers your question. Let us move on to the next one. So the next question is if I am popular in school. I think I've answered this question before, but a ton of people ask me this question, so I thought कि इसको आंसर कर लेते हैं. And no, I'm not popular in school. जो लोग मुझको जानते हैं मेरे को जानते हैं, and जो मेरे को नहीं जानते मेरे को नहीं जानते. I don't know how to answer this question. I don't know what is your definition of popular. I just talk to मेरे 4-5 दोस्त जो मेरी क्लास में है and जो मेरे ग्रेड में है, and उससे ज़्यादा मैं किसी से बात करती नहीं हूँ, so I won't really say that I'm popular. Anyways, let's move on to the next question. The next question is if I have any siblings. And yes, I have one brother and I have a little brother. He is 3 years younger than me. Yeah, that is pretty much it. That's the sibling that I have, my brother. The next question is, do your parents watch your every video? Literally, my mother watches every single video that I post. Like every single video, she has not missed a single one. So she's like the realest fan that I have. She's like my true fan, my OG fan. She's been there ever since she found out that I have a YouTube channel because I never told her. Anyways, that answers your question, I think. The next question is, I think ये question भी मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने पूछा है, and this question is your channel monetized? So to answer your question, yes, my channel is monetized, and I think you would know that because you're pretty much like, you probably saw an ad on this video as well. So yeah, my channel is monetized. And और भी मेरे को question क्या आया था, have you earned income from your YouTube channel yet? So the answer to that is no, I have not yet made a single penny from YouTube, like YouTube directly. I have not earned anything, but yes, my channel is monetized. The next question is how to overcome procrastination. So guys, a lot of you have asked me this question, and like ये video जाकर देखो, and that will be your answer. I'll link it up over there. Just click on that, and this is the thumbnail. You can go on my profile and watch it. It's this. इस मैंने बताया है how I do not procrastinate and how I don't get distracted. So yes, you can go and watch that. Now let's move on to the next question. What are my plans after 10th, or like what stream am I going to take in 11th grade? And ये question भी मुझसे बहुत सारे लोगों ने पूछा है. So to answer this, it is so confusing कि क्या लेना है, but considering मेरे को कौन से subjects पसंद हैं, I will be taking PCM, Physics, Chemistry, Maths along with like CS or AI. Most probably AI, or I just said that. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be taking PCM with CS or AI because मेरे को JEE का exam देना है, and उसके लिए PCM होना important है. That's why we need to take PCM in class 11th, and you'll see me being a JEE aspirant in 11th and all that. So stay tuned for that. Okay, the next question is, it's like a very very interesting question. ठीक है, am I secretly enrolled in IIT JEE like exam का coaching? Am I? तो मेरे को देख के लगता है कि मैं साइड बाय साइड जेई की कोचिंग कर सकती हूँ इन क्लास 10th. मुझे देख के लगता है कि मैं कर सकती हूँ. No, I am not enrolled in any IIT JEE coaching, even though I was like in class 9th I was doing Allen, and I did Allen for about 1 or 2 months I think. Before मैंने हाथ जोड़ लिए मम्मी के आगे कि मुझसे नहीं होगा ये. I cannot do this in 9th. I cannot manage this in 9th. एंड मेरे पास अभी भी लाइक वो एलन की बुक्स पढ़ी हैं एंड उनको देख के अभी भी मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रॉमा मिलता है एंड वो अभी फ़िलहाल मुझसे नहीं होगा. Obviously in 11th and 12th you have no choice, you'll have to focus on that, but अभी मुझसे नहीं होने वाला है ये चीज़. एंड आई डो नॉट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ सम पीपल आर एबल टू डू. स्कूल में अच्छे मार्क्स, कोचिंग में अच्छे मार्क्स आ रहे तुम्हारे, तुम जे के लिए पढ़ रहे हो, तुम ओलंपियाड्स के लिए पढ़ रहे हो एंड यू रेसिंग ऑल ऑफ दैट. Like please give me your tips because I cannot manage all of that at all, not even like 0.1%. I cannot manage that. So yeah, I think that answers your question. I am not enrolled in any IIT JEE coaching secretly, and even if I was enrolled in any IIT JEE coaching, I would tell you all. Okay. Now the next question is how many hours do I study? ये क्वेश्चन भी मुझसे इतने सारे लोगों ने पूछा है एंड मेरे को ऑलमोस्ट हर वीडियो पे कमेंट आता है कि तुम कितने घंटे पढ़ते हो, तुम कितने घंटे पढ़ते हो. अब आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर कैसे करूँ, बिकॉज मैं रोज़ सेम अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम नहीं पढ़ती हूँ. कभी कभी मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं पढ़ती हूँ. कभी कभी मेरे को कुछ ज़्यादा ही मोटिवेशन आ जाता है एंड मैं 8 घंटे पढ़ लेती हूँ एक दिन में. एंड कभी कभी आई एम जस्ट लाइक मोस्टली आई स्टडी लाइक 2 to 3 hours a day. Mostly that's my usual. And also mostly I do not study at all. But बहुत ज़्यादा रेयरली आई स्टडी लाइक 6 से 8 घंटे. एंड वेन एवर मेरे को इतना मोटिवेशन आता है ना, आई एम यूजली फिल्मिंग. सो तुम लोगों को लगता होगा कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ती हूँ रोज़, बट आई डोंट स्टडी अलॉट एवरी सिंगल डे गाइज. आई कैन नॉट डू दैट. कभी कभी मैं कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ती. आई टेक फुल ऑन ब्रेक डेज, आई एम जस्ट चिलिंग, रिलैक्सिंग, स्लीपिंग एंड वॉट नॉट. Usually like my normal is like 2 to 3 hours a day or 4 hours maximum, and when I'm feeling extra productive it's 6 to 8 hours. So I guess that answers your question. The next question is what was your percentage in grade 8 and grade 9th? So पहले मैं तुमको grade 8 का बताती हूँ. grade 8 में I got 97.5%, which is like the highest marks I've ever gotten in my entire school in my entire school life. And I was like so shocked when I got my report card. Also I came second in my class, which was also a shocker to me. But that was the highest I've ever gotten, 97.5. Anyways, in grade 9th I got 96.8, जिसमें मैं थर्ड आई थी ओवरऑल चारों सेक्शन में 9th के. ऑल्सो गाइस हमारा जो बैच है ना, जो हमारा पर्टिकुलर बैच है, इट्स लाइक एक्सट्रीमली कम्पेटिटिव हमारे स्कूल में. एंड लाइक 0.1 0.2 इतना ही गैप होता है जो सारे रैंकर्स आते हैं हमारे स्कूल में. So it's like highly competitive, so like to rank in like, and especially my class has like the most competition out of सारे sections. So like ranking in my class is like a very big achievement because सारे बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ रहे होते हैं. So there's like huge competition, like cutthroat competition in my class. Anyways, now let us move on to the next question. The next question is what is the next? Did I cover every question? The next question is who is my inspiration? I would say that my inspiration is my mother because she is such a hard-working woman and she has always taught me to work hard, and she has also made me love maths. And I think my grades started to improve ever since I started to love maths, because I used to hate maths in 7th and she made me like maths, and now I like love maths. It's my favorite subject. And when I was in 8th and I used to tell my friends that I really like maths, they would be like, you won't like it in 9th and 10th because it gets really hard. But here I am in grade 10th and I still love maths. So I would thank her for that. And she has always inspired me in every single way, and she has always supported me in everything that I wanted to do. So I really appreciate that, and I'm extremely grateful for that. Anyways, with that, I think I covered every single question that I have written here. And thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers once again. I could not be more grateful for this, and I did not ever imagine that I would be able to get here, but I am super grateful that we are here. Thank you so much for that. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. If you're new here, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video if you found it helpful. And अगर तुम्हें और study tips वगैरह चाहिए तो भी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, because मैं डालती रहती हूँ. That's it guys. Bye bye.